like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. Right now this is a Jaguar E-Pace freshwater flood damage vehicle. And zoom in. So this is a freshwater flood damage vehicle, and we're in the process of rebuilding it. So I just want to show you guys a few of the things that we look for when we make a decision to build a flood damage vehicle. As you can see, there's no corrosion or rust in the engine compartment. It's very clean. No signs of water here. We check the fluids, we check the filters. Those are all clean as well, no water. But we replace them as a precautionary measure. Do a quick walk around. Have no water in the headlights, good sign. No visible water line, all good signs so far. So we actually started to pull the interior on this vehicle, and we're going to start rebuilding it. But let's do a quick walk around and then I'll show you inside. Body's very clean, as you can see. Nice panoramic roof. Take a look inside. As you can see, we started to pull the interior. So there are a few signs that there was water in the interior. That's why we pulled the carpet. See, there's no rust or corrosion, but there's some dirt. A little bit of rust on the seat tracks. See some dirt settled here, but we'll clean all that out, clean all the contacts, clean all the modules, replace the carpet, all the foam. But this was a very low-level flood vehicle, but we pull the carpet just as a precautionary measure. Just make sure it's completely clean and dry before we reassemble it. As you can see, it's 18,000 miles. This is a 2020. The years of 2020 on this vehicle. So we'll clean all the sheet metal in here, replace all the foam. We'll be back to new in no time. Once it's complete, we'll post it on the website. Thanks for watching.